Good day everyone. Today, I'll be presenting my BPMN diagram and database design for my selected business operation, the appointment booking system. Let me start with the business process model and notation, or BPMN diagram. The process begins when a client creates a new appointment through the system by selecting a service type, preferred date, and time. After booking, the client can view their upcoming and past appointments. At this point, they have the option to either update or cancel the appointment if changes are needed before the scheduled time. Once an appointment is created, the service provider or staff can access their assigned appointments through the system. They can update the appointment status such as confirmed or complete. And also they can add necessary notes or comments related to the service. The process also includes a step for verifying errors in the appointment details. If any issues are detected, the staff can delete the appointment. Otherwise, they may proceed to approve or decline the appointment as needed. Overall, this process ensures that appointments are properly created, reviewed, reviewed, and managed by both clients and service providers, maintaining data accuracy and preventing scheduling conflicts within the system. Moving on to the database design or entity relationship diagram. The database design illustrates how data is organized and related within the appointment booking system. At the center of the model is the appointment table, which connects the core entities, client, staff, service, and reminder through foreign key relationships. Each appointment records links a specific client to a staff member and a selected service, including details such as date, time, and appointment status. The client and staff table store user information needed for authentication, communication, and scheduling. The service table defines the different offerings available along with their descriptions, durations, and price, allowing flexible service management. Meanwhile, the reminder table supports automated notifications by referencing appointments and recording when and how reminders are sent. Rationale and key insights. The design decisions I made were guided by three key objectives: accuracy, efficiency, and scalability. Accuracy is achieved through a validation process in both the BPM and database layers, ensuring that no conflicting or incomplete appointments exist. Efficiency is supported by clear process flows and normalized data structures that speed up access and updates. And scalability means that as the organization grows, it will be easy to add more services, users, or even new features like payment tracking or reporting without needing to redesign the entire system. This design also ensures Role-based control, clients can manage only their own appointments, staff can handle those assigned to them, and administrators can oversee all system data. This division of access support both security and accountability. That's all. Thank you.